Yes, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of features on Messenger. To know how to fix or how to solve features on Messenger, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to the window or to the app of Messenger, and you click here on this page. As you see in this page of app info, you click on first stop and you click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.